Once again, good afternoon. Today, 16 July 2026, and right now time is 1:30 p.m. Presently, I am in Pochim Bachaibari under Tulashikor Agri Subdivision. So today we are transplanting one means a plot in the plot of Nagendra Deborma of Pochim Bachaibari. So here is my sector officer. So let me know from him that since he has already completed 4 years in this Tulashikor Agri Subdivision, and right now the place where we are standing is Bachaibari Agri Sector. So let me know from the sector officer that how much area they are having target this year, and beside this normal this MICMP, what is the target of hybrid and other aromatic, and what the means program is going on agri as well as horti. So let me know from the Pramod Noatia. Sadi.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pramod Noate, and I am the sector officer of Bachaibari Agri Sector in Tulashikor Subdivision. I have been posted for 4 years, and this year right now we are in Pochim Bachaibari ADC village. We are transplanting paddy in the plot of Sri Nagendra Deborma, beneficiary of Pochim Bachaibari ADC village. This year we are having 35 hectare of MICMP target. So we are trying to achieve our target, and in this scheme we are also giving the benefit to the farmers like free fertilizer and free organic inputs like this, and also cash assistance also we are providing. So farmers of Pochim Bachaibari ADC village they are very cooperative, and we are trying our level best to achieve our target. And beside MICMP,
In hybrid, how much area is there? Hybrid target?
in hybrid we have 5 hectare target.
Okay.
And beside hybrid we also have target for aromatic paddy.
Only aromatic means what variety you are growing? Kalikasa, Harinaran and others, even sticky rice also?
Yeah, in Pochim Bachaibari ADC village, farmers mostly grow this Kalikasa, and after that Harinaran also they grow, and some local variety also there.
Okay.
So these are all covered under aromatic paddy, and will be giving benefit to them under the scheme RKBY aromatic paddy.
Okay, then your two staffs also there,
Yeah.
Satyajit and this Arjun.
My 2 field staff they are also transplanting along with me, and they were also there. So they are now just going for to take
There.
break.
Okay.
So that's it.
So thank you, Pramod. Since you are working this subdivision for almost 4 years is completed, congratulations. And your achievement, I think it will reflect for the benefits of the farming community in days to come. So we'll be expecting more from you in coming days, not only in agriculture but in other aspect like oil palm plantation. Then our this pineapple one program is there, na Queen Pineapple.
Yes, sir.
All this thing will be updating in days to come. But I also thanks our circle in charge of this West Bachaibari, Arjun Deborma, and Purbo Bachaibari circle in charge Satyajit Rai, and all the farmers. Apne bungke sagade. Busuk kheto tong.
Ani satkani sir.
Satkane jotono mai line mang boro. Engkai tak ponto busuk bor pai khala.
Taponto kani sai ko tini sini yakseng.
Acha. Engkai engko tamsi kamu apne songje mai bor mani mo korok. Time mo jotono manna bole rang rok bang korok assistance rok ba fertilizer rok. Kuno problem engkai chini sector office to Bachaibari ojaga tongo plus chini office sapai di je agriculture jemon mai ni yong rok engkai
Ko atene yong mano sano trangoi bitrangoi suria khoi rioi.
Okay.
Kaham nung kasa.
Dakon hambai. So with this means small video, once again I thanks each and every farmers associated with this MICMP and other program under this Tulashikor Agri Subdivision. Also thanks to my the owner of this plot, Nagendra Deborma. Da Nagen busuk jagang kamu apne ni?
Orang 3.5 kali.
Acha.
Oh yang tunggu, tay asing asuk,
Acha.
price 7 kali ta.
Okay.
Aino masuk nih.
Dakon hambai ko dano kan jotno apne line na boro motamoti jotno
Lain.
okay acha hybrid khai ka khai hybrid fan ko khai guria mai rong ba ko rokai khasa rok acha dakon hambai jotno. So with this small video, once again I thanks each and everyone for watching. Please give your valuable suggestion and comments for the benefit of the farming community. Thank you.